Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back in the kitchen today. We're gonna make kadu. I believe it's called Challaw Kadu. We just call it kadu. Anyway, it's a very delicious Afghani dish, traditionally made with sugar pumpkin. We're gonna be making it with butternut squash because that's what we have in our garden. All right, so first, set our oven to 350 degrees. We'll get that preheating while we go out to our garden. We'll get the squash and the mint. What's up, boy? You want to get some squash? Huh? Now that's a big squash. Let's go get some mint as well. Okay, let's grab some fresh mint for the yogurt sauce. First, cut the squash in half. We're just going to use half of this. You can try peeling it with a knife, but usually it's much easier with a peeler. Cut the end off and then cut it into 1-inch sections. Next, we'll cut this up into about 1-inch triangles. For the meat sauce, we're going to mince up 1 medium onion. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic. For the yogurt sauce, we're going to start with 1 cup of yogurt. We like to use the Greek yogurt. We're going to pull the mint leaves off the stem, try and get as many of those stems out as possible. We'll give this a quick mince. Okay, add that to the yogurt sauce, then mince up the garlic. Add salt to the garlic. This will help grind it into a paste. Using the edge of your knife, scrape that salt and garlic into a paste. Add that to your yogurt sauce. Give it a quick mix, and you can put that in the fridge until ready. To start the beef, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add the minced onion and saute over medium heat until lightly browned. These onions look great, just lightly browned after about 5 minutes. Let's add our minced garlic. Stir that for about 30 seconds. This garlic smells amazing. Let's add our beef. We're using 2 full packets, each one about 1.3 pounds. And we'll brown it over medium heat. The beef is almost done. It's brown but not fully cooked. We're going to make some space. And we're going to add a full can of tomato sauce. We'll add our spices to the tomato sauce, not to the beef. 1 spoonful of cumin powder. 1 spoonful of coriander powder. 1 spoonful of paprika. We're going to spice it up a little bit with about 1/4 spoonful of cayenne pepper. This is optional. And 1/2 spoon of chili flakes. This is also optional. Okay, this tomato sauce makes it much easier to mix all those spices in. Once they're well incorporated, we can then mix the tomato sauce with the rest of the beef. Once all of that tomato sauce has been mixed in, salt and pepper to taste, cover and simmer that for about 10 minutes. For the squash, you want a fairly hot pan. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. When you add the squash, there should be a good sizzle to it, but not too hot or it's going to be very messy. We'll put in a few pieces to test before we add the whole batch. This first batch is done. We'll pull them out and set them aside. We'll add some more oil for the second batch. The second batch is done. Let's combine the first batch with it. Add about 1/2 tablespoon of butter. This is going to help the cinnamon mix easier with the squash. Okay, now we're going to add about 1/4 of a spoonful of cinnamon. That's probably about 2 teaspoons total. You just want a good coating over all the squash. All right, let's mix that cinnamon mixture up with the squash. This squash is still firm. It is not cooked and ready to eat. We're going to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes or until they're very soft. So to serve this, you start with the squash. It should be nice and soft. Then you want to add the yogurt sauce. It's nice and cool from being in the fridge. Has that garlic savoriness and the mint. Finally, we're going to add our savory beef sauce. The spices in the beef just contrast with the coolness of the yogurt and the sweetness of the squash. This is a really good dish. Let's give this a try. Ooh, this squash is nice and soft. A little bit of cinnamon. It's nice and soft. Let's try the beef with some yogurt sauce. So good. That beef is got a little bit of heat from the spice, from the cayenne. It's savory. And with that yogurt sauce, it's really good. This is really good. You should try it. It's not that complicated. The yogurt, the beef with the squash. You can eat the squash by itself, just with, some greens. The beef you can use just with the yogurt. My kids love eating it that way. So many things you can do with this. Really good. Gotta try it. This is delicious. I'm gonna keep eating. If you got some value out of this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Really helps us continue to make these videos. And hopefully you're gonna try this on your own. So good.